now. Shit, yeah. Fuck yeah. Yeah. Yeah, fuck yeah. We used to ride here a little bit. Oh, you can see like a little track there.
Yeah.
When we're kids. I did have a I used to like jump from here up to there. This was like a way bigger lip.
Yeah.
And you could, oh, where was the jump though? Somewhere here anyway. It might have been slightly like this.
Yeah, like that. So
up there and then like landed just there.
Fuck, that's sketchy.
Yeah. They took me ages to work up like my balls to fucking do it, eh?
So I don't realise how much of a jump it was up there.
Yeah, down there, eh?
Coming up.
But yeah, like you could find so many like little cool features here, just in this little spot. Willy bolt over here, far out.
Fuck, that doesn't look like it. Fuck, it's a reach to get up that one.
Yeah. Oh, I had like a good takeoff here. But it was fucking sketchy. I think it came up short, a little bit short once.
And that stopped it all.
Oh, no, it wasn't too bad. Like I just clipped the end with the back wheel, like I didn't case it. slippery. Yeah, you got up there like nothing. You're probably running like 15 PS.
So I was just thinking, I got 5.5 miles.
It's alright. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. Nice one, Manny.
That didn't quite go down too well.
You were pretty close. You're getting like pretty decent drive. Or are you splitting? Are you skidding quite a bit?
I was spinning here.
Yeah.
That just screws you off, eh?
Do you think if you take the lip off, you'll be able to make it? Yeah, boy. Far out. Ah, that's impressive. Good shit. Because you're like pretty much standing still up there and then you like push down and somehow get the drive. come flying up there.
And jump it? That's what I was looking. I honestly tried this before.
I don't know if it's big enough lip. Holy shit, I don't think he's gonna do it first go.
Fuck, I did not think I was going to commit then.
Fuck, I thought you were just gonna have a run at it and then...
Yeah, I thought so too. Fuck. Let's give that another try.
Get the spade out and carve a little bit of a...
Nah, where's the fun in that?
This is the shit I wanted. Oh no. Can't get that drive. Not exactly, you know, flat run up.
Fuck no. I can only just get out there.
So you need to go in a different line now.
Yeah. Did you get that on camera the first time I did it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Fuck yeah. No, that's sick. What about right up by the fence line there? You reckon you go up there?
Up the fence line?
Yeah.
When I was in the air, I was like, fuck, my chassis is hitting that bank.
Back wheel just
Yeah.
right there, eh?
Yeah, I thought I was going to hit it and bounce backwards. I did not think I was going to go up. I was mid-air going, mayday, 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 this is going to hurt.
Yeah.
When it's dry, that's going to be mean.
I'd fucking be too scared to hit that.
I was about to say, when it's dry, I want to see a video of you doing it.
Maybe when my shoulder's good.
Yeah, definitely.
Because the physio said, yeah, no jumps.
I wonder what that one there's down like. What that one there's bit like. It's bigger, but if it's a better lip,
Whereabouts?
just straight down there on that track, like jump the whole.
Oh, yeah. Maybe.
Have a gaze at that one, huh?
What do you reckon, Willie? You gonna hit it?
I don't think I'll attempting that one.
Yeah, it's a big gap.
The ramp is so steep that you're like going straight up rather than
Yeah.
forward.
Yeah, you just go like up and then
Just make it to there.
Yeah.
Fuck, that probably is. Oh. No, it isn't. Just rough.
We had a little shovel,
Rough here.
little spade. Yeah, it's slumped out too much. Hence why the trees are here to stop it slipping. I've actually never ridden here in my life, eh?
Really? Looks bloody good.
Yeah.
Those stones could be trouble.
There is it's not really big block, but I think there's a fence down there and it's electric. I like touched it once with my front wheel and it gave me a shock.
Oh yeah.
Because it was like hidden in the bushes, in the little mingy. But I'm sure you could find some sort of line here.
Definitely not looking at one right now.
Whereabouts?
Right here.
Up here? Up where?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. that's a big rock.
It's real rocky in here.
Yeah, I just hit one without even seeing it with my forks. Oh, Willy just had a good line.
You'd hear it light up right at the bottom there, eh?
That's sketchy.
I don't know how he got up
I
there.
don't know.
That's so cool. Kind of a little casty down there.
Yeah. Pretty steep. That last bit would be sick if you could do that. That's steep, Willy.
Maybe roll your bike back there and I'll try hit.
Well, you want to go straight up here?
Fucking slippery.
It's getting slipperier as soon as you take off the top layer of grass. So close.
Fucking steep at the top. My hand to bring the front round.
Look at us.
There's just that one bump there that just kicks you.
Fucking hell.
It's a bit rough for that one.
Maybe I'll move out of the way. So if you dump it.
Probably just make it all loose and slippery now.
Fuck, this better be worth it.
Try and take the edge off this a bit.
Shit. That looks sick.
That was squirrely.
Shit, yeah,
Like
boy.
my hand fell off the fucking throttle.
Fuck, that's a good effort, mate. Fuck yeah.
Holy fuck.
Just to show you how steep this is. You don't even have to tell, but pretty fucking steep. So easy.
Let's try the hard one.
Must have fucking bull must have hit it or something. Fuck, this place is there.